Hello everybody. Today in this session we will talk about AEM technology stack. After this session you should be able to understand application stack, architectural layer and supporting platform in Adobe Experience Manager. Learn basic principles of Java Content Repository, Apache Sling, OSGI framework. Articulate which role plays every framework and technology involved in Adobe Experience Manager application. Now, let's have a look in AEM application stack. AEM is implemented as a Java web application. It translates any server which supports Java Servlet API 3.1 or higher. AEM comes pre-configured with its own built-in servlet engine, but can also be installed in any compatible third-party application server. Because system can be accessed from any computer with modern web browser, no installation of client software is required. AEM is platform with out-of-the-box functionality, component library, and set of application services. However, majority of project requires custom development which will resolve into custom project code, which extends out-of-the-box functionality and adopt it to the project need. Now, let's have a look into AEM architecture. AEM architecture consists of three major layers: Apache Sling RESTful Application Framework. RESTful Application Framework responsible for HTTP request processing based on Apache Sling. OSGI application runtime is fully OSGI Java based modern modular application stack is dynamic library management implementation of Apache Felix. Java content repository persistent layer with access control, versioning, search observation, etc. Implementation of Apache Jackrabbit Oak is various persistence options supported such as tar files, MongoDB, relational database, and S3. All these running in servlet container or J2EE application server. Now let's talk about key principles. AEM is 100% Java based. It supports only long-term supports, that is LTA releases. Java 9 and 10 are non-LTS releases by Oracle. Adobe will only provide supports for LTS releases of Java to run AEM in production. Therefore, Java 11 is recommended version to use with AEM 6.5. AEM can be deployed in standalone mode. It includes an integrated Jetty web server or as a web application WAR file within third-party application server such as JBoss, WebLogic, WebSphere, etc. It is platform independent, can be installed on both Windows and Linux. Now, based on standards, it is based on standards JSR 283 Java Content Repository JCR for content storage, OSGI for dynamic module system for Java, Servlet API 3.1. Open source. AEM is commercial product based open source technology. All frameworks that laid in fundamental are open source such as Apache Jackrabbit Oak, Apache Felix, Apache Sling, and Apache Tika. Now, Adobe Granite CRX. Let's take a look at Adobe Granite CRX. Adobe Granite CRX is enterprise version of content repository. It is based on Apache Sling, Apache Felix, and JCR. It provides additional features such as package manager, additional persistence plugin such as Tar, Oracle, MySQL DB2. User interface for all JCR operations including version management, node type management, and user management. CRX Delight code management tool, Maven plugins, repository backup, restore and clustering support, replication, security LDAP support, operation support like tar optimization, and JMX monitoring. Now, Java Content Repository. JCR or Content Repository API for Java is a specification for Java Platform Application Programming Interface to access content repository in uniform manner. According to the specification, JCR API defines an abstract model and a Java API for data storage and related services, commonly used by content-oriented applications. JCR is a type of object database. They are used to storing sessions and retrieving hierarchical data. And in this scenario, hierarchical structural storage, common services of content repository are versioning, access control, full text search, and event monitoring. JCR provides generic application data store for structured and unstructured content, combining the best of those. First, the file system provides the excellent storage for unstructured hierarchical content. Databases provide excellent storage for structured data due to transactional services and referential integrity functionality. The JCR provides the best of both data storage architectures plus observation, versioning, and full text search. In the context of AEM, it uses Apache Jackrabbit Oak JCR implementation and supports various persistence options such as tar file, MongoDB, relational database, S3 structure. Now, there is one diagram that elaborates Java Content Repository standards. Inside JCR repository, content is organized into one or more workspaces, each of which holds a hierarchical structure of node and properties. Beginning with a root node at the top, here it makes directory structure of file system. Each node can have 0 or more child nodes and 0 or more properties. Properties do not have children but do have values. The main features of JCR repository model are repository consists one or more workspaces. Each workspace consists of hierarchy node and properties. So node has property can addressed by path. Node can also be directly addressed by unique identifiers. Properties stores the actual content of the repository. Nodes provide the structural organization of the content. Properties have types and nodes also have types. Node type governs which properties in subnodes it may or must have. Node types can be used to enforce constraint on content structure, but JCR supports preform structured content. Now, let's talk about Apache Jackrabbit Oak JCR implementation. Starting from AEM 6 version, it's using new JCR implementation, that is Apache Jackrabbit Oak. Implements standards like JCR, WebDAV, JSOP, and CMIS. It states sessionless support multi-version concurrency control model where each session is snapshot of repository and easily accessible from various platforms. Main goals of Jackrabbit Oak implementation are scalability to support big repository and distributed repository with many cluster nodes, and improved write throughput, including parallel writes. Next, support for many child nodes and support for many access control list, that is ACLs. So it can store data in file system such as star files, MongoDB, and relational databases. Oak architecture concept is called hamburger architecture. The, the burger's bottom line is microkernel. It simply implements tree model nodes and properties and exposes microkernel API, HTTP friendly independent of technology. The burger's middle part is Oak core, where its most of heavy lifting takes place. It adds to microkernel tremendous features like access control, search indexing, and observation. The burger's top part, Oak JCR, which implements JCR API and also contains commit hooks that implements JCR constraint, for example, node types. There are two major microkernel implementation. First, segment MK is star storage, Mongo MK with MongoDB. Because Oak is designed to be backward compatible with previous version of JCR implementation. There are no changes needed from JCR perspective, from user perspective. However, some noticeable differences that you need to take into account when setting up an Oak-based AEM installation. First of all, Oak indexes are user created, not automatically created. Unlike Jackrabbit 2, where sessions always reflects the latest data of repository, Oak session reflects table view of the repository from the time the session was quit. This is due to the multi-version concurrency control model on which Oak is based, and same name siblings are not supported in Oak. Now, next is about Apache Sling. Apache Sling is a web framework that uses JCR, such as Apache Jackrabbit, to store and manage content. Sling application use scripts or Java servlets selected based on simple naming conventions to process HTTP requests in RESTful way. Sling applications is built as a series of OSGI bundles and makes heavy use of number of OSGI core and Compendium services. The embedded Apache Felix OSGI framework and console provides the naming runtime environment where code and content bundle are can be loaded, unloaded, and reconfigured at runtime. Being REST framework, Sling oriented around resource, which usually map to a JCR node. Traditional web application select the processing script based on URL and then attempt to load the data to render the result. A request URL is first resolved to a resource, and then based on resource and only the resource, it selects the actual servlet or script to handle the request. In Sling, everything is resource. This resource is one of the central part extending from JCR. Everything in content, Sling is assuming that everything is resource. Resource is Sling abstraction of the object addressed by URL. Sling provides API for servlet, supports scheduler, event handling, both synchronous and non-synchronous, resource grid operation, where read, delete, create, update operations can be taken, Sling models, thread pools, JMX, Sling mock, Sling adapts and accesses. Another fundamental layer of AEM is represented by OSGI framework. OSGI, Open Service Gateway Initiative, a framework for component-based service-oriented application in Java. OSGI applications are organized into bundles which is actually called as a modules that are managed by the OSGI container, can be deployed, started, stopped, and uninstalled independently without the container restart. More than one version of a bundle can be run at the same time. Only packages explicitly exported are visible to other modules. Dependencies are explicitly declared and managed by OSGI container. Libraries can be embedded into the bundle. A bundle is assembled as a jar file with additional metadata. So this is how manage Java in OSGI container. So Apache Felix is uses implementation of OSGI framework in IAM. It provides web-based console for managing dependency and configurations. It also provides services like all based on OSGI specification such as Dependency Manager, HTTP services, Maven bundle and SCR plugin, Event Admin, bundle based events, all those, Configuration Admin, OSGI bundle repository, Logger, and file install. Let's summarize. Let's do a quick recap and summarize AEM technology stack with very simple picture. In this session, you belongs that AEM is Java-based application, major framework that used by AEM Apache Sling for request processing, Apache Jackrabbit Oak, implementation of Java Content Repository, and all these residing on OSGI container using Apache Felix implementation of OSGI framework. Thank you.